Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the smooth zoom effect tutorial using CapCut mobile. So if you want to add that smooth cinematic zoom effect to your videos, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can create a professional looking smooth zoom effects in CapCut. And it's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Now let's just get started. You can just open CapCut and then import your clips into CapCut timeline like this. So I have 3 clips in here. Once the clips imported, you can just add 2 keyframes on the clip, one at the start and the other one at the end, and then just zoom it in on the second keyframe like this. Now click on the grabs and choose the ease out option. Okay, so it will become like this. Now just duplicate the clip, and on the second clip go click on reverse. Okay, so now the video is reversed and it will be like this. So just repeat the same steps for the next clip. Add 2 keyframes like this and zoom it in on the second one, and then just add the ease out grabs, then duplicate the clip and click on reverse, and also do the rest for the other clips. So now the clips will look like this. So guys, that's how you can create a smooth zoom effect only by using your mobile and CapCut. Whether you're a beginner or already editing like a pro, this zoom effect tutorial will instantly level up your videos and make them stand out. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips and trending effects. And also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!